freezingly cold. Russian winter. Freezingly cold outside, and I guess you're wondering where we are, where we're going, where I'm taking you. Well, actually, this place out there, down the parking, is a huge Russian flea market. Remember, we're going to Portobello Road Market in London. You can see this video here. This experience will be totally different, and I'm gonna show it you right now. Well, my friends, if you love art, if you love antique, vintage and simply unusual things, then welcome to this winter wonderland. I have brought you to the most famous antique flea market in Russia that is now called Levsha, which in Russian means literally a left-handed person. However, this word was traditionally used to describe the very skillful master or craftsman. And really, there are a lot of examples of interesting traditional folk crafts, rustic stuff, exquisite collectibles, and even fine art if you are lucky enough. Giant piles of clothes, various home care products, literally anything you can think of could be found here. And yet, you will still be surprised. Here you can find myriads of fancy artifacts from all recent periods of this country's existence. Newest history, Soviet era, or imperial times are all represented here. And the snow-covered stalls are no problem for a real treasure trove hunter. This market doesn't stop at operation even in winter, and it never stopped working for centuries, though it had to constantly change its location. Its history traces back to early 19th century and its initial location in the center of today's Moscow. This Hitrovka Square market was the center of attraction of various merchants, urban poor, curious idlers, pickers and stealers, and of course, collectors of rarities. The market forcibly changed its location during the Soviet and modern Russia era periods, and now finally settled in the north of Moscow, outside of the city walls. This quite remote location doesn't affect the crowds that much. As usual, one should arrive early in the weekend morning, Saturday AM preferably, to chase for the best items trading today.
Хотя вот они, видите, одинаковые абсолютно. Здесь вот место, ясная поляна, они латунные, они все как натурально сделаны. То есть латунный, покрытый никелем. Вот, но он как бы вот предыдущие, которые были постарше, они были немножко другой формы.
City center or in the middle of nowhere. Bolsheviks or Democrats. Summer or winter, snow, rain or shine, the market is alive. Dealers and collectors are here. Well, my friends, I get cold. I don't know how about you, but yeah, you've seen this is the typical, I can't say like typical Russian flea market, but one of the most famous one. It's located near Moscow and has this long history. That's the beauty of flea market with local twists. And I don't know, if you ever have a chance, come here. If don't, just enjoy the video, and I hope that was interesting for you. And yeah, see you in my next video, and let me know what you think down there in the comments, and happy to see you here, guys. Bye.